Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Cox again. I am going to be working today on Math Expressions, Lesson 5-7. We're going to be working on workbook pages 231 to 232. And today I just wanted to start out real quick with a little shape review and see if you remember the names of these shapes. So this one, it has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. It's called a rectangle. This one has 3 sides. Sometimes they're the same length, sometimes they're not. This shape has 3 corners or angles. It's called a triangle. This shape has 4 equal sides. The length of each side is the same for all 4. It's called a square. This shape has no straight sides. It is called a circle. This shape has 6 sides. It is called a hexagon. All right, let's practice our counting to 100 by tens. We're going to flash 10 all the way up to 100. You ready? Let me hear you. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Let's count on tens by our fingers. We're going to pretend each finger this time, it's not a 1. It's going to be a 10. And we'll see how many tens we're going to have. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, good job. Now today we're going to be thinking numbers all the way up to 20. In the classroom, we would give you all sorts of little materials and you could show us what is number 1, what is number 2, what is number 3, what is number 4. But today I'm going to help practice with you for numbers 10 to 20. We're going to be showing them with some of our sticks and 10 sticks and ones. I'm going to try to find as many ones as I can, and I might have to draw some. But this would be a great activity for you to practice on a piece of paper as well. So on a piece of paper, just going for number 1 all the way up to number 20 and drawing a picture to show how many is that number. That would be super, super great practice. All right, so we're going to come down to this 5 partners a little bit later. Let's show number 10. One way to show number 10 is to draw 10 little circles, but I'm going to do an easy way, and I'm going to use a 10 stick or a 10 rod. 10. Done. What about 11? Oh, that's 10 plus 1 more. What about 12? How would I show 12? 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2. What about 13? How many am I going to need? 10, and then 11, 12, 13. 10 plus 3. What about 14? What do I need? 10. Let's see how many I can find. 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 plus 4. What about 15? 15. 10. Oh, those ones are too big. Can't put a 100 on the, can't put a 100. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. Ready? How about 16? 16 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. 17. 10. I think I'm running out of these little dots, these little ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 plus 7. All right, I'm going to draw the rest of them. I can still have 10 sticks though. 18. What's it going to look like? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What about 19? 19 looks like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What about 20? 20 looks like 10, and then another 10, 2 10s. All right, so again, this is a fantastic activity to do just to practice. You could use paper and a pencil and just draw a line for 10 if you wanted to draw a line for 10. Instead of using something that shows 10, you can draw a big line. That's how first graders and second graders do it. You could also draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could also draw 10 like that, and then how many more? Like 18 has 8 more. So you decide how it's going to look. It would be really great if you wanted to do it like this. 10 plus 8 more, all in circles. You could also do this work with Cheerios, something small that you have in your, like rice. You could use little tiny rice grains. You could use, I don't know what you have a lot of, buttons, paper clips, pencils, crayons. Do you have that many crayons to use? I don't know, maybe you do. Maybe you want to find blades of grass from your yard and count them. You can do whatever you want. Use whatever you want. Practice counting and showing the numbers all the way up to 20. Now, in your math activity book today, you're going to be doing some work on page 231 and 232. On this page, it says, write the 5 partners. The number 5 is our magic number right now. And this can give you a whole bunch of different pictures, and you're going to be thinking about counting one number. Like in this problem, there's one green hexagon, and they said 1, and they added it to how many were white hexagons or clear hexagons. How many clear ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 4, that equals altogether 5. Okay, so like on my problem down here, I had 2 green stars, so I wrote 2, and I'm adding it to the number of black stars. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, guys. All right, so that equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, so I know that there's another problem here. There's 1 green, and then there's 4 clear. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. You're going to be counting carefully and then writing the, it's not quite an equation because it doesn't have an equal sign. Writing the partners for 5. On the back side, I really want you to do some fluency practice. So this is adding the numbers, and down here it's subtracting the numbers. So remember, top part is adding, bottom part is subtracting. So when you finish the top part, you gotta switch your brain over and make sure that you're knowing you're gonna be subtracting. Adding means that you're gonna have more, you're gonna have some, and then have more. Subtracting, you have a big number, and you're gonna be taking some away, and how many are left, okay? All right, so I hope you have a great day doing some counting practice. That's kind of on your own. And then you're also going to be doing some 5 partners and some practice with adding and subtracting. All right, have a great day.